Students, look at this question. The question is given as in a harbor, wind is blowing at a speed of 72 km per hour and the flag on the mast of a boat anchored in the harbor flutters along the northeast direction. So the speed of the wind is given to be 72 km per hour and there is a flag on the boat which flutters along the northeast direction. If the boat starts moving at a speed of 51 km per hour to the north, then what is the direction of the flag on the mast of the boat? So this is an example of relative velocity, numerical related to relative velocity of in two dimension. So as I have told you, whenever in a question you are given with directions, you quickly remember this diagram. Make this diagram at the corner so that you will not skip anything. Now, according to the question, the wind is blowing at a speed of 72 km per hour and the flag on the mast of a boat anchored in the harbor, it flutters along the northeast direction. So we can say that where is the northeast direction? This is the northeast direction. OA represents the northeast direction and the wind is blowing in this direction as the flag is fluttering around northeast direction. So OA will represent vector VW, which is the velocity of the wind, okay, which is given to us as 72 km per hour. Fine. Now in it is saying that the flag is along the northeast direction. Okay, OA is the northeast direction. If the boat when the boat starts moving, the speed of the boat is 51 km per hour to the north. So if you look here, so the boat is moving from O to B towards the north, and this is the speed of the boat given by vector VB, and it is given to us as 51 km per hour. Fine. Now we have to find the direction of flag on the mast of the boat. Now as this is the direction of the wind and the boat is moving in this direction. Now when the boat was stationary, the flag flutters along northeast direction given in the question. Therefore the velocity of wind will also be along the northeast direction represented by vector OA, which is vector VW, and it is 72 km per hour. Again, when the boat starts moving, as soon as the boat starts moving, the flag now flutters along the direction of relative velocity of wind with respect to the boat, because now the boat is moving with its velocity and also the wind is blowing. So now boat is little displaced, and now this represents the relative velocity of the boat, relative velocity of the wind with respect to the boat. Fine. So this OD vector OD represents vector VWB, which is the relative velocity of wind with respect to the boat, and it will be given as vector VW minus vector VB. Vector VW, we can also rewrite it as vector VW plus opposite direction of vector VB, okay, opposite direction in which the boat is moving, and it is given by OA plus OC. Fine. So relative velocity of wind with respect to boat is given by this vector OD. Now velocity of boat is given to as vector VB, which is represented along direction OB, and it is given to us as 51 km per hour due north. Now we have to find the direction of the flag on the mast of the boat. When we talk about the direction, we talk about the angle. So we have two velocities, okay. So the relative velocity of wind with respect to boat is given by two vectors, vector VW and negative of vector VB. So we will find the angle between these two vectors. This is negative of vector VB and this is vector VW. What will be the angle between them? This whole angle. As you can see that it was given in the question that the flag flutters along northeast direction. So the angle between the speed of wind, the velocity of wind and east direction will be 45 degree, and the angle between east direction and opposite direction of vector VB is 90 degree. So what will be this total angle between vector VW and minus of opposite of vector VB? It will be 45 degree plus 90 degree. Therefore the theta between these two velocities will be equal to 135 degree. Fine. Now if we use the parallelogram, if we join sides CD and AD, then by using the parallelogram law of vector addition, we can find this. Let us suppose that this VW, this resultant vector VWB is making an angle beta with velocity VW, velocity of the wind. Then according to parallelogram law of vector addition, we will get that tan beta is equals to, we know that tan theta is equals to A of sine theta upon A plus B of cos theta. Okay, this is a formula with we get from parallelogram law of vector addition. We will apply it here. So in this case, A is vector VB and B is vector VW. Fine. So now we will talk about, we will put the values of theta here. Now if we put the values of theta, what will we get? Theta is 135 degree. Fine. And VB is 51 kilometer per hour and VW is 72 kilometer per hour. So we will put the values. Now sine 135 degree can be written as sine 180 degree minus 45 degree. And we know that sine 180 degree minus theta is sine theta. So we will get sine 45 here. But in case of cos 135 degree, we will get minus cos 45 degree. We will put here. Now value of sine 45 and cos 45 is equal, which is 1 by root 2. We will put the values of these here and then we will solve this question. Solve this and we will get tan beta as 1.0037. Now if we find the angle beta by taking tan to this side, we will get this beta as 45.01 degree. Okay, the beta is the angle made by the resultant with the velocity of wind. Okay, OA. Fine. Now we are talking about what we had to find here. We had to find the direction of the flag on mast of the boat. Fine. So if we say that angle with respect to east direction, now if we say the angle with respect to east direction is 45 degree, we know that of this velocity of wind, but we have got this angle as 45.01 degree. This angle beta we have got is 45.01 degree. So angle with respect to east direction will be this beta minus angle northeast direction. Fine. So we are getting it as 0.01 degree. Thus we can say that the flag will flutter almost in the east direction, as the difference is very small. So we can say that the flag will flutter almost in the east direction. So this was all about this question.